mouth. Good, let it go. Sink your shoulders. Until breathing. Good, let it all go. Good, sinking in. Breathe out. Okay. Breathing in. Good, let the shoulders relax here. Lay on your back.
Okay.
Any tenderness here?
A little bit, not a lot.
How's this feel?
Oh yeah, that.
Let your shoulders come up like this. Good. Lay on your back.
Is it bad to pop your fingers?
No.
Okay.
Good. Let your head just drop into the table.
Oh, that felt good.
Deep. Okay, this is the one, C5. Now let your head drop, let your shoulders drop, Rachel. Good. Nice soft breathing in. Good. And out. Breathe. Harder. Relax. One more time, push out. Push, 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 push. Relax. Okay, hold your knees together. Hold them together. Hold, hold. Look straight ahead. Relax, let it go. They're stiff. Let me see, go ahead, you crack them. Do that one. Oh, that's how you do it.
Or sometimes I'll pull them too, but usually I'll have to like do something with that.
Okay, that wasn't too bad. I can definitely feel like a little bit of swelling in some of these joints though.
Next up is Dr. Joseph Cipriano.
On a T2 adjustment on that left side here. Good. Just gotta get a little of these hairs out of the way here. Alright, we're gonna do a T1 on the right here. There we go. Got a lot of movement with that one right there. Okay. So we're gonna come in at that upper thoracic area. I'm gonna have you take a deep breath in and exhale all the way out. Good. One more time, deep breath in and all the way out. Good. Come closer to me. Perfect right there. Good. You fell. Alright, I'm gonna have you flip to the other side. That's that. Good. Let me just roll it just a little bit. Perfect. Good. Lay it flat on your back for me. Good. She felt that one. Good. Okay. Now, I want to make sure and clear out the rest of this thoracic spine here. So I'm going to put my arms over here, over just like that, and I want you to put your arms up and over mine.
How? Like, how?
Like V. Yep, and come down like how my hands are, put your hands over my hands.
Here?
Yep, exactly. Lean back on me, squeeze your elbows. Good. Hug. Good. Deep breath in and exhale out. Perfect. And relax, relax. Your spine here.
Oops.
On the left. There we go. And we're going to drop down to a T1 on the right. There we go. Feel how we took the pressure off those nerves?
Oh,
right?
yeah.
Good.
Great.
Okay. I want you to take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good. One more time, deep breath in and out. Okay. Keep that bottom one straight. Good. Just like that.
I'm gonna have you flip to the other side for me. Perfect. Oh, there we go. Lay flat on your back for me. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna do a leg pull. With this, you'll feel some release in the ankles, to the knees, going up to the hips as well. There we go. Feel how that went up?
Yeah. Oh.
I want you to put your hands up and over mine. Yep, just like that. So I'm gonna lean you back onto me. I gotcha. Squeeze your elbows together. Good. So you are definitely really tight around that. Up. Exhale out. There we go. And this is where people get, or patients get a ton of relief from. So right through here.
Oh. Oh my goodness. Wow.
You feel how that? Stay relaxed for a minute.